Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I was going through my TikTok and I stumbled upon this live Yaga Gogo's Koteni and Liama making her mom cry by telling her she missed her brother, right? And like I said on my previous video, this is not a coincidence. I feel like Gogo's Koteni was helping those victims behind closed doors. And I feel like it's also, for her, not only for those people, because she is the only one between her and Gogo Mawini who could understand the pain of losing a child. And I know that this beef was already going far, it was already far, but Gogo Mawini took it really, really, really far. And someone had said that they believe that Gogo Mawini will hate and resent Gogo Skoteni after this because of she is the one who brought light to the cases that are allegedly against Gogo Mawini, But we will see whether this could make or break their friendship. I believe that they supposedly have now that they made peace. You will see, but I also agree. I don't think this friendship will last because now Ugogo Skoteni has brought light to something that will could actually be a downfall of Gogo Mawini. What do you guys think? Please don't forget to like and subscribe.